Using the Tokyo Fun ticket, I went to Small World, Nanotaraishi, Shinjuku Branch, and Big Camera, Shinjuku East Exit. I watched EVA in Small World and happened to encounter the live performance of the Japanese European Image Group on the second floor. It was very lively. If I hadn't used Elysium coupons, I wouldn't have taken the initiative to try No Bird, but the actual experience was very good. The website address of Big Camera Shinjuku East Exit store may be wrong. The one where you can exchange, there are several BC stores in Shinjuku, is the one in the same building as Uniqlo, the larger one. The exchange counter is moved to the second floor underground, B2. Maybe when you can exchange at the beginning, the clerk doesn't know it, so you have to go through a lot of trouble. We only use 2 attractions included in this pass. The airport limousine service from Narita Airport to our hotel, and a 70 minutes tour bus ride around the city. The limousine service was great. We would recommend it if you're taking many suitcases. The tour bus experience was okay, due to the bus window was covered/tinted and unable to get clear photos of the side. We can only take photo from the opening top. We were unable to see the Small World as it closed 1 hour before the posted hours on Google Maps. This time I used the pass to redeem 3 itineraries. The first one was the Misakiguchi Tuna Tour, because I was using a Tokyo Metro one-day pass, so after arriving at Shinagawa Station, I went down to the first underground floor to replenish my ticket and exchange it for the Misakiguchi package, and the trip on the way there go to Yokohama Chinatown, then go south to Mira Coast for a tuna meal, show ticket B before ordering, walk along the coastline, and then go to a pickle shop to exchange ticket C for jam and pickles. The second one is Nanotori Yakiniku, freshly grilled and super delicious. You can get a discount by showing the QR code at the checkout. The third one is the Seibu Mumen ticket. You can exchange it at the Seibu Ikebukuro Tourist Center first and then you can enjoy the ride with the ticket. On the Seibu Railway, we first went to Kawagoe and then to the Iruma outlet. You need to pay 200 yen to transfer to the outlet by bus. It was a pity that we didn't have time to go to Mumen Park in the end. Highly recommend this ticket. Used the pass on Small World, Joypalace and Misaki Meguro. Worth the price. Just take note that when exchange the tickets for Misaki Meguro, show them the QR code instead, having some difficulty exchange them as most of the staffs do not know what is that. But luckily managed to get it exchanged. Overall is a good experience. Thanks Klook. I chose Joypalace, Small World, and Moomin Valley. Joypalace was awesome 5/5 if you like VR and arcade games. Small World if you like to see mini figurines. You can also make her own figurine for ABT 20 Singapore dollars. Moomin Valley is inspired by Finland town, has nice Insta-worthy photo spots and good story, if you understand Jap.